good.
I'm here at the Carteret County Courthouse with District Attorney Scott Thomas, who's going to tell us today a little bit about courthouses resuming and some of the upcoming trials. So when are trials expected to resume in Carteret County?
Well, we expect our jury trials to resume no earlier than August 1st. The Chief Justice issued an order some time back saying that we could not start jury trials prior to August 1st. So that's our target date right now, but in all reality, it could be pushed back depending on the circumstances at that time.
And once the trials do resume, what changes can people expect to see in how the courthouses will operate?
Well, just a little bit of background. When the COVID shutdown started back in March of this year, we started having limited operation of the courts. So the courts have actually been in operation in a limited capacity up until June 1st. And when I say limited capacity, I mean we were dealing with violent offenses, high priority cases, jail cases to work those through the court system. And then as of June 1st, we have increased the operation of our district and superior courts. So now we are at an increased operation level. However, due to social distancing, we have limited courtroom capacity. So whereas before we could have 100% capacity in terms of number of people in the courtroom, now we're down to less than 20% capacity because we've got the courtroom benches marked off where people can only sit 6 feet or more apart. People standing in line to get in the courtroom, they have to be 6 feet or more apart. So that has limited our operation somewhat. We're still processing cases, it's just slower, and we can have fewer people in the courtroom at one time. The other thing we've done in district court, which is where we normally have a lot of people show up for district court, because that involves anything from a traffic offense to a DWI to assault or communicating threats, those type misdemeanor offenses, where we could have sometimes anywhere from 200 to 300 cases on the calendar. So what we've done, we have divided our district court sessions into a morning session and an afternoon session. Morning session runs generally from 9 a.m. to 12 noon, and then the afternoon session starts at 1 p.m. And the morning sessions, we're handling defendants who are unrepresented. They do not have an attorney, so we're processing those cases. And then in the afternoon sessions, we are handling attorney cases, and we've assigned them a certain period of time each afternoon, so we don't have too many people in the courtroom at any one time.
Okay. Well, it sounds like you guys got it very well figured out. And what are some of those upcoming Class A and Class B felonies that you were talking about that you're processing?
In Carteret County right now, we have 4 pending murder cases. Those cases are pending in Carteret County Superior Court. There's one that will be indicted by grand jury in the near future, but those all cases ultimately will be addressed in the Carteret County Superior Court. And the way we handle those cases, we evaluate cases and we make a plea offer based upon what we believe we can prove in court. If the defendant accepts that plea offer, that means they come to court, they plead guilty, and they're sentenced. If they do not accept that plea offer, then we schedule the case for a jury trial. So that'll be the process that we'll utilize with those cases as well. And any cases that we need to try, we will have a jury trial for those cases as soon as we're able to resume with jury trials.
Hopefully you'll be able to resume them when you are expected to. With the Carteret News-Times, I'm Caramia Valentin. Thank you.